Did Santa Claus come? Hey, look what Santa Claus brought you. Wow. Huh? You want me to come with you? Oh, boy. Oh, look what Santa Claus brought you. Well, let's go check it out. Go check it out. Look at that. Yeah. Balls, yeah. That's your stocking. Oh, and a big wheel. Yeah. You sit on it and pedal it.
What's that?
Yeah, you want to sit on it? A bike, yeah. You gonna sit on it?
Ball.
And balls, Yeah, sit on it. You can sit on it. Okay. And then your feet, your feet go on there. There you go. Push with your feet, buddy. You need help? You have to pedal with your feet. See, that's what makes it go. Okay, push with your feet. There you go.
Ball.
There's balls in there, huh?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to look in your stocking?
Oh.
Remember we left our... Did you see that Santa Claus? Look at... He ate the cookies and drank the milk? Yeah, look at that. He ate the cookies and drank the milk. Look at that. He drank it, huh? He ate the cookies that we left out for him, huh? Yeah. We left it for Santa Claus and he ate it and drank it. Huh? Yeah, do you want to look in your stocking?
Oh.
Yeah, you want to look in there? Yeah.
Bite.
Your bike, yeah.
My bite.
Your bike, yeah. That's a train whistle. You know, you didn't watch this.